All right, guys, gonna take out the new FMS Toyota Tacoma. Did some mods to this. Got a little bit of weight. Got new wheels and tires, and I got some weight. I did the Endura weights, brass. So let's take her out. See how she does. Supposed to get a snowstorm soon, so this is a little bit of the ice that we got still on the ground in the Carolinas, which is very rare for us to get a snowstorm, and we're getting another one. This is a little bit of my outdoor work in progress track. Hard to get traction with the snow as well, and then we bottom out. See if we can get over. Yeah, there we go. Try not to tip it, and there she goes. See if we can get back up it. Gonna be slippery right here. She's getting some good traction. See if we can get up there. There we go. Nah, with this ice, we're never gonna get up there. Try a different route to get to the summit. Let's see if we can. These tires are small too, so we're slipping all over the place. There we go. Let's go up. I'm not gonna go all the way up because I'll flip it. We'll go over here and we'll go back down. Kind of hung up. There we go. Back end was slipping with the ice. It gets pretty good traction in this, surprisingly. Hanging up. Poor driving on my part. It's probably will bottom up at the top. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't. And we went down it. There we go. See if we can get up this hill. It's probably gonna be really slippery. Oh, we got the front tires to hook up. So we're gonna go down this right here. It hooks up. Probably gonna slip right off this. Yep. Oh, right on it. All right, guys. Well, that's the crawling. But this does have 2 gears, so let's switch the gear and go full throttle. Let's see if we can pull some donuts. Nah, actually getting some good traction. There's my outdoor track that's covered. See if we can get up this. Yeah, let's see if we can. Oh, no. No, we cannot. Try a different route. Let's see if we can try this route. Oh yeah. Then we'll come back down here. Gonna be slippery. Wow, it was slippery. Whoop, bad filming. And go back down. Not bad. Go through the woods. It's a nice walking pace, which is nice with this truck. In second gear. Oh, bouncing off some things. We'll hit this. Yeah, buddy. All right. Tear up some mulch right there. Try to tear it. Oh, hit a. Ah, look at that. We're stuck. And we got through. Not bad, guys. We'll slide it through. Here we go. Have some fun. Try to slide it right through here. Whoosh. Everybody's getting ready for this winter storm, and I'm playing along with a toy. Go figure. That's what I love to do. All right, we'll go back. We'll go back towards the track. You can see I can't even keep up without, I'm gonna probably slip. Hit the brakes, slam on the brakes, he keeps going. There's one of the jumps. These are the little jumps, but she ain't gonna be able to jump. There's too much snow. Look, whoop. We're gonna jump the track right here. And then we're back where we started. Let's do a little bit more crawling and then we're done. Put it in first gear. And there we go. Guys, if you haven't gotten one of these, I'd pick one up. They're super fun, super stock. You don't really have to do anything. I do highly recommend some better tires and some weight. But I went overkill with this, with all the brass you can get. Probably want better links, high clearance links. That's what I don't have, but that's all right. All right, let's try to get not stuck. Guarantee I'm gonna flip this. All right, we're stuck. All right, we're gonna go up here and up this one last time. And all right, guys, in the description, let me know what your thoughts are of this truck. And again, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Till the next one, thanks for watching. Feels like it's